Hi, kids. Today we're going to learn about long vowel sounds. So let's start. Let's start learning about our long vowel sounds. So as you can see, we have A, E, I, O, U. Long A will say A. Long E will say E. Long I will say I. Long O will say O. And long U will say U. So today we are learning about long E. Long E says E. The long E sounds say its name. The name will be E. Every word we will read will have a E sound. What sound would it have? The E sound. E as in T, R, E, T, R, E, tree. E as in F, E, eat, feet. E as in B, E, B, E, B. E as in W, E, W, E, we. E as in G, R, E, N, G, R, E, N, green. E as in D, E, D, E, deep. E as in ch, E, z, ch, ease, cheese. E as in n, E, n, E, knee. E as in s, E, d, s, E, d. E as in s, l, E, s, l, E, sleep. Thank you for learning with us today, boys and girls. See you next time. All right, parents, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so like that when I make the new educational videos for your child, you'll be the first one to get them so they could practice, so they could get ready to learn. Parents mieux, bonjour encore. Pas oublier subscribe ou soit abandonner ce channel là. Quand ça l'aime faire vidéo, petit yo jou ka joindre pour pratiquer avec petit yo pour ka kon li plus vite que possible. All right, thank you everybody for watching. I hope this video was very helpful, and also please have your child watch the video often so they could become used to it. And also when they're reading, they need to look for words that have the E sound. So like that, they'll watch it on the video, and then when they're reading, they make the connection. Merci par mieux de ce que nous t'ai gardé. Make sure le timon y appelé que nous chercher mots qui gen I là-dedans, comme ça yo apprendre dans la vidéo, yo fait connexion avec ça yo vi li dans livre là. Et mais c'est tout ça, Miss Jerome te gen pour nous. À bientôt. All right, ladies and gentlemen, have a wonderful, blessed day. Bye.